guys, it's Juliana Palencia, aka Jujubee, and today I'm going to show you how I do a Flexi Rod set on my curly natural hair. So this is how my hair looks straight out of a bun. This is like day 6 or 7 hair, and I'm going to start off doing an oil treatment on my hair. So I'd like to say thanks to Love Beauty and Planet for sponsoring this video. So for my oil treatment, I'm going to be using the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Oil and Ylang Ylang 3-in-1 Benefit Oil. And I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. So this oil is infused with virgin coconut oil and spicy Ylang Ylang. And it can be used as both a pre-wash once a week, which is how I'm using it here, or once your hair is dry. And I apply this all over my hair and leave it in for about 30 minutes so it can work all throughout my hair. And once that is done, my hair feels so soft and is super shiny, and now my hair is ready to be washed. So to cleanse my hair, I'm going to be using the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Milk and White Jasmine Shampoo. Now this line, the Coconut Milk and White Jasmine collection, smells so amazing. I cannot explain to you guys through video how good it smells. So for the shampoo, I'm applying it to my scalp, and as you can see, I'm using this little scrubbing brush to really work and cleanse my scalp because my scalp gets so oily and sweaty. I'm really making sure that I thoroughly clean it. And then next, I'm just going to take it down the length of my hair as well to remove the product buildup. And once I'm done, I'm just going to thoroughly rinse all the shampoo out of my hair. The shampoo actually uses ethically sourced jasmine, and all of these products are dye-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, certified vegan, and cruelty-free by PETA. And as you can see, my hair is so soft and super shiny afterwards. So for conditioning, I'm going to be using the Coconut Milk and White Jasmine Conditioner and applying this all over my hair, and then I'm going to detangle my hair in sections. So this conditioner actually has coconut milk, white jasmine, and organic coconut oil in it, and it's 97% naturally derived. So after I'm done detangling each section, I like to twist it, and then once I'm done, my hair is thoroughly detangled, and I'm going to rinse all of the conditioner out and then apply a leave-in. So for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Coconut Milk and White Jasmine Multi-Benefit Hair Milk, and this has ethically sourced white jasmine, and it also has organic coconut oil in it. And for this, I love it because it's a lightweight moisturizer, and if you guys have done Flexi Rod sets, you know that using light products is essential. This is not the time to use like your heavyweight, super thick products. Flexi Rod sets already take a super long time to dry, and to get a good Flexi Rod set, you want to make sure your hair is thoroughly dry before you take them out. So just make sure you're not using super heavy products, and this leave-in conditioner is great because it's lightweight and it's also silicone free, alcohol free, and cruelty free. So for these Flexi Rods, I'm going to be using the Love Beauty and Planet Medium Hold and Volume Coconut Milk and White Jasmine Hairspray. And then I'm going to take the Flexi Rod and I'm going to start from the roots and wrap it around just like maybe 2 or 3 times. And then next I'm going to take my detangling brush and comb the bottom through so that way I can get it as smooth as possible. And then I'm going to wrap my hair around the Flexi Rod from the roots to the ends. And once I'm done wrapping my ends around, I'm going to take a little bit more of that Love Beauty and Planet hairspray and use that to smooth my ends. And you can check out the Love Beauty and Planet site using the link in my video description box below. So 2 really cool things about this hairspray is 1, it's actually alcohol free, and 2, this hairspray is powered by air and not greenhouse gases, which I think is super cool. And actually Love Beauty and Planet as a whole is really sustainability focused, and they believe that through small acts of love we can make a big impact on our planet. So for example, they give really careful thoughts to their ingredients such as their ethically sourced jasmine and also their packaging, and they use recycled materials to create recyclable bottles, which I think is super cool. So right now I'm almost done my Flexi Rod set. I used 39 Flexi Rods. I only had 40 Flexi Rods, and I thought that was too much. I know some people can use like 16 Flexi Rods to do their whole head, but I could not. I literally used 39 and had one left to spare. I really didn't think I'd be able to finish. Like, I thought I had to go out and buy some more. So now I'm sitting under the hooded dryer, and I also slept with these in to make sure they were fully dry, which is, by the way, not comfortable at all. It only took an hour to install them, and to dry, I think I sat under the dryer for like an hour, and I just slept with them in to make sure they were dry. You want to make sure your Flexi Rods are 110% dry before you take them out, because they can get so frizzy if you take them out while your hair is like even slightly wet. So make sure they're fully dry before you take them out. And this is how it looks before I separate and fluff them. But I'm going to separate them. You can leave it like this if you'd like to, but I'm going to show you guys the finished look. And to separate my hair, I'm going to go back to that oil that I used for my pre-treatment, and that is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Oil and Ylang Ylang 3-in-1 Benefit Oil. So I'm going to apply that to my hair, and then I'm going to separate my curls and then twirl them into the direction that the curl was going. You don't want to separate your hair too much, or else it will get really frizzy. So just make sure you're not overdoing it. This Benefit oil is actually silicone free, and the Ylang Ylang flowers are actually hand picked, which is really awesome. So here's how it looked. I had a little bang action going on, but here is the final look of my hair. I love that the curls are like so different than my regular curls, and usually for the first few days I like to wear it up into a pineapple, just so it can stretch out a bit. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the description box below. And again, thank you to Love Beauty and Planet for sponsoring this video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.